Titrometric analysis is a very common but most powerful and effective technique to determine the concentration of unknown solutions. While carrying out any titration, we have two solutions with us, one of known concentration and other of unknown concentration. Generally, the solution of known concentration is taken in burette and it is called as titrant, whereas solution of unknown concentration is taken in conical flask and it is called as titrant or analyte. Many times concentration of titrant vary with time, but for accurate and reliable titration results we need to know exact concentration of titrant. So in such cases standardization of titrant is carried out. Standardization is a process of determining exact concentration of a solution. For standardizing our titrant, we prepare solution of primary standard. Primary standard is a substance of known high purity, and when we prepare solution of primary standard, its concentration remains fixed. Now we take our titrant whose exact concentration is to be determined in burette. We take known volume of our prepared primary standard solution in conical flask and carry out titration. From this titration, we can find out exact concentration of titrant, and then such a standardized titrant we can use for main titration. So this process is called as standardization. Today we will see how to standardize KMnO4. KMnO4 is a commonly used titrant for redox titration. In this titration, we are using KMnO4 potassium permanganate as titrant. KMnO4 is dark purple color substance and is a strong oxidizing agent. You will be given 0.1 normal KMnO4. Aqueous solution of KMnO4 is not completely stable and its normality may vary with time. So we call it as secondary standard. And to find out its exact normality, we will titrate it with primary standard sodium oxalate. Sodium oxalate Na2C2O4 is a reducing agent. So when we titrate KMnO4 with sodium oxalate, oxidation reduction reaction takes place. For this titration, we need to prepare 0.1 normal sodium oxalate. Molecular weight of sodium oxalate is 134. For preparing normal solution, we should first know equivalent weight of sodium oxalate. And for calculating equivalent weight, formula is molecular weight divided by change in oxidation number. For sodium oxalate, change in oxidation number is 2. So, equivalent weight of sodium oxalate is 67. So, by regular calculation, we can find out weight of sodium oxalate to be weighed, and it is 0.670 gram. First, we will weigh 0.670 gram of sodium oxalate, and by following standard procedures, we will prepare 0.1 normal sodium oxalate solution. In my earlier videos, I have shown you procedure to prepare standard solution. I have added these videos in playlist, so please check out my earlier videos to see how to prepare standard solution. Let's move to actual titration part. First, fill burette with KMnO4. Pipette out 10 cm cube of 0.1 normal sodium oxalate in conical flask. Add 25 cm cube of 2 normal H2SO4 and heat the flask till it is warm. just 50 to 60 degrees centigrade. And then titrate the warm solution against KMnO4. In this titration, KMnO4 itself acts as indicator. Initially, solution in conical flask is colorless. When you add KMnO4, color of KMnO4 disappears initially. However, at the end point, color changes to light pink color. Thus, color changes colorless to light pink. So, from this reading, you can calculate exact normality of KMnO4 using formula N1V1 equal to N2V2. Now, answers to a few questions that must be in your mind. Why we add H2SO4 during titration? We added 2 normal H2SO4 in this titration to maintain acidic medium. KMnO4 titrations are carried out in acidic medium as KMnO4 acts as strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium. The reaction between KMnO4 and sodium oxalate is oxidation reduction reaction. This reaction takes place at higher temperature. So we need to heat the flask to 50 to 60 degree. And now, most important question, why we observe color change colorless to pink. In this titration, KMnO4 being oxidizing agent oxidizes oxalate ion to carbon dioxide. In a process, it gets reduced from MnO4 minus to Mn plus 2. Initially, color of KMnO4 disappears as MnO4 minus is reduced to Mn2 plus due to sodium oxalate. However, after complete consumption of oxalate ions, that is, once endpoint is reached, pink color appears due to unreacted KMnO4. Means due to presence of MnO4 minus ions which are pink in color.